English learners, welcome back to my channel Simple English with Priyanka, where we learn English in very simple way. Guys, today we are going to talk about something personal and relatable. So, I studied in an English medium school and I knew English quite well. But after school, I was not touched with English for many years. Because in school, English was compulsory, but after school, when we went for the college, English was not compulsory, so we did not use it in our daily conversations. Because of which, I started losing confidence in English. And you know what? One day I realized something, and that was really shocking. That I am not fluent in English anymore. Now, this was a wake up call for me. So I decided to work on it and improve my English right from home. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you that how I did it and you can too. And that too just by one step, and that is practice. Now guys, there are many moments where you don't find the right words or you fumble. But when it happens in front of your close friends, or you can say family members, we take it for granted or we don't feel embarrassed. But when the same situation happens in front of strangers, then you realize something that no, you should improve your English. At that time, we feel really embarrassed. So there was this one moment in my life that happened, because of which I discovered that how much I had lost touch with English. So I was in a situation where I needed to speak in English. But you know what? I could not find the right words and I kept on fumbling. And guys, I was so embarrassed. I thought to myself that I studied in an English medium school, and how did this happen? And that day I decided that enough was enough. I was going to rebuild my confidence in English, and I started by practicing at home. Now, I knew that I had to start small. And you know what I did? I started by talking to myself. I would stand in front of the mirror and I would describe my entire day. For an instance, I woke up at 7 a.m. Then I had lukewarm water, a glass of lukewarm water. Then I brushed my teeth. Then I had my breakfast, and so on. So I used to describe my day in this way in front of the mirror. And you know what, guys? It felt a bit strange at first, but trust me, it helped me to organize my thoughts in English again. So next, what I did, I started watching English movies and videos. But at the same time, I would pause and repeat the sentences out loud. This helped me with the pronunciation, and it helped me to sound more natural. For example, if I watched a cooking video in English, I would try to give instructions in English as I cook. And guys, it was really fun. I used to enjoy this activity a lot. And it really helped me, not only about cooking, even if I'm, cleaning my house or even I'm dusting, I used to describe like what am I doing right now. So it was really fun. Let's talk about facing challenges. So when I was in the process of, regaining my confidence, I used to feel demotivated at times when I felt like I wasn't improving. But guys, I kept on, reminding myself that mistakes are a part of learning, and you should embrace your mistakes. So I used to always remind this to me. It's okay because, whenever you are learning, you definitely make mistakes, right? And in my case, I already knew, but because of that, gap, I almost forgot English. So in that case, I had to be patient. And here, patience is the key. So I, kept the patience and I kept on learning. You have to be consistent. And yes, in my case, what kept me consistent was writing a journal daily in English. And you know what, guys? It did not have to be perfect. I would write simple things like what I did that day or how I was feeling, etc. Over time, I noticed my vocabulary and sentence structure improving. Once I started feeling a bit more confident, I began practicing English in real life situations. For example, if I went shopping or to a coffee shop, I would try to speak in English. No doubt, guys, I still made mistakes, but the more I practiced, the more comfortable I became. I'd like to share something with you. Once I mispronounced a word while ordering a coffee, and the person corrected me very politely. So instead of, feeling embarrassed, I thanked him and I learned from the experience. So what you have to do is, even if you talk in front of the people and if you mispronounce or get somewhere wrong, you don't have to, get embarrassed. You have to learn from the experience, and but yes, you should rectify the mistakes as well. Then and then you're gonna improve. That too in no time. And guys, looking back, what worked for me? So the first one was talking to myself. It helped me to think in English again. Second was watching and repeating. Now, movies, shows in English were a great way to practice. Third was writing daily. Writing a journal daily helped me with my grammar and vocabulary. Last was real life practice. It helped me to speak English confidently. Even if I made mistakes, the more I practiced, the more comfortable I became and improved. And the key was consistency. A little practice every day made a huge difference. So, guys, if you have ever felt disconnected from English like I did, don't worry, because it's never too late to start again. All you need is a bit of determination and daily practice. So start small, stay consistent, and remember, mistakes are your best teachers. So, guys, let me know in the comment section if you have had a similar experience and how you're working on your English. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on English. Until next time, keep practicing and growing. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.